Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to get UPC barcodes for Amazon. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over to upcs.com right here. And then from in there, you can see the homepage wherein you can buy UPC codes instantly and use it on Amazon, eBay, iTunes, and many more. So for example, you can also see in here that they have your tutorial. So just head over and click on this buy right here. Then once you have clicked on that specific buy, you should be able to see that we have this cart right here. So this UPC barcode has been added and you just need to put in here the quantity of how many barcodes you want to actually get. So for example, you want to get 100 quantity. You should be able to see that it will reflect in here for this one. So click on update cart in order to update it. And then as you can see, the actual price has changed as well. So you can see that if we buy 100 barcode, we will get it at wholesale price of only $0.90 per piece. But if you only try to buy one piece, you will get it for around $10. So what I recommend you is you need to buy bulk or a lot of it in order to get it. So for example, let's try to get it at 1,000 pieces. Click on update cart right here. And then from here, as you can see, it's only $0.35, which means that you actually get it on display or on bulk. They already have this bulk pricing discounts will be applied, and after that, head over and then just proceed to checkout. Once you have clicked on this proceed to checkout right here, you should be able to see that you need to put in here your details, company name, country, region, street address, and all these things right here. You can also see in here summary. Then just put in here the payment method that you want to use. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.